Hi, so our bot is an Android recommender bot. So this bot will recommend you libraries which you can use for your Android applications. So these libraries can be UI libraries or code refactoring libraries. And apart from that, this bot will also suggest you some tips and guidelines about how you can improve the code quality of your Android application. So I'll quickly start the bot by running this JavaScript file. So when the bot has been set up, I'll configure my bot first. So it will ask me for the repository link which the bot wants to monitor. So I'll enter the name of this repository. Then it will ask me for the GitHub credentials to access this repository. So after the configuration has been successfully done, I'll ask the bot to suggest me some libraries. So it will scan the git, it will first check whether the repository exists, and after that it will ask me which type of recommendation I want. So I'll right now choose all, which will give me all type of recommendations. So here you can see that it has suggested me different things which I can do with the current code of my application. It has suggested me libraries such as Mr. Vector, Butter Knife, and Fading Action Bar. It has told me to put my password and sensitive data in Gradle.properties, which I haven't done right now. And you can also suggest for specific things, like suggest me something related to UI. So then it will just give you the UI related changes which you can do with your repository. So these are the libraries which are suggested for UI. So thus choosing these three different options, we have four different options, we have four different use cases. Now I'll quickly show you one negative flow. So when we do suggest me some libraries, now I have signed in as a different user, that is I have loaded seed data for a different user, and when it asks me to give choose the type of recommendations, I'll choose all. And now because I have the repository is different, it will tell me that no recommendations found, and because I do not have any Android code in my repository. So this is one of the negative flows in the application. So I'll now show you the test cases which we have written. So these test cases contain positive as well as negative flows. So I'll quickly run these test cases. So it is now signing into the Slack bot. So it is signing into Slack and navigating to the Slack bot page. So it will is checking for a positive flow right now, or a negative flow, I guess. Yeah, and it finds the negative flow. So similarly, all the test cases will get executed like one by one, and the results will be collected by the unit test cases. So you can see all the test cases have executed and they've passed. And so this was how we implemented the bot interaction, and how we implemented different use cases. Thank you.